Hi everyone, in front of me we've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and find more security settings, and here go to install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from the browser, from the internet, from a specific website, and not from the Google Play Store as usual. So what I have to do is to find Chrome as a whole app in this list, and then tap on this switcher. So now the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.